Be, I found a new love.
Ah? Anong pinagsasabi mo?
I found someone that I feel so secure with. Someone that will really take care of me. And my money.
But, Antay.
Be, huwag kang mag-alala. I'm talking about GoTime Bank. Fast, safe, and easy way to receive remittances and keep it secure in the Philippines as an OFW.
Diba? That's exactly what we're looking for before.
Kaya nga. And now we found it. One of the best banks for OFWs. To receive remittances with GoTime Bank, simply select GoTime Bank as your receiving bank via partners like Western Union, MoneyGram, Wise, and more. At hindi lang yan. You want to see our money grow?
Siyempre.
I thought so. GoTime Bank has an added benefit of 3% interest rate. Imagine mo yan, a bank that gives back. Sa hirap kamitan ng pera ngayon, sa GoTime Bank, siguradong pinapahalagahan lahat ng pinaghirapan mo.
Be, I think love ko na din yung love mo.
Yes, be. Kasi para talaga to sa atin. Lalo na sa mga OFW and their families.